How essential has artificial intelligence become in our modern world? To truly understand the gravity of this question, one must look no further than the recent developments in the technology industry. In an exciting turn of events, Accenture, a leading global professional services company, has raised the bar in the realm of AI by opening the genAI studio in Bengaluru. This innovative move marks a significant milestone in the AI industry, signaling the dawn of a new era where AI is no longer a futuristic concept but a present reality. The genAI studio is not just any AI lab. It is a state-of-the-art facility designed to foster innovation and accelerate the development of AI solutions. At the heart of this studio is the mission to leverage AI for the benefit of businesses and societies, and to ensure that AI technologies are accessible, understandable, and beneficial to all. By opening the genAI studio, Accenture has taken a bold step forward in advancing AI technology. This move not only positions Accenture at the forefront of the AI revolution, but also reaffirms its commitment to driving innovation and fostering talent in the AI industry. This new studio is a testament to the importance of AI in today's world. It underscores the fact that AI is not just a buzzword, but a transformative technology that is reshaping industries and societies. In a world where technology is evolving at a rapid pace, the genAI studio stands as a beacon of innovation and progress. It is a place where ideas take flight and where the potential of AI is realized. This studio is not just a win for Accenture but for the entire AI industry. It is a testament to the vital role that AI plays in our world today and a symbol of the exciting future that lies ahead. In conclusion, the opening of the genAI studio is a significant milestone for Accenture and the AI industry. It underscores the importance of AI in today's world and highlights Accenture's commitment to driving innovation and fostering talent in the AI industry. It is a bold step forward in the AI revolution and a testament to the transformative power of AI. The genAI studio is not just a lab, but a beacon of innovation and progress in the AI industry.